In this video, we will study Chapter 4, Principle of Mathematical Induction. First of all, we have to know about some formulas like sum of all natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus n is equal to n plus 1 by 2. If the last number is n minus 1, then formula will change n minus 1 divided by 2. Sum of square of all natural number 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash n square is equal to n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Sum of cube of all natural number, which is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube, and the formula is n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or we can say that square of sum of all natural number. There are some basic steps to solve questions. I am writing here in short form. Step first, for n equal to 1 or k equal to 1. Then another step is true for n equal to m. And the last step, we will prove that a statement is true for n is equal to m plus 1.